Hey everyone, welcome back to Mojo Handicrafts and wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day. This is a Valentine's Day special video, and this time I just thought of making something very special for a couple who have been together for more than 50 years, or you can say about to complete almost 60 years together, and they are my parents. So I just thought of making fridge magnets, photo frames for them. So let's begin. These are the tools which we will be using for the project. These are air dry clay and some molds which I bought from Amazon, and some cookie cutters in the shape of flowers and leaves, though I have not made leaves at all, but I'm just showing you what all things I have. Some tools, and you can just buy any, or you can start with any air dry clay. Just apply some oil in your hands and make a roll out of that clay. This is a very soft clay to handle, so it took me a lot of time to actually bring it to the consistency of cutting it down into a flower shape, because every time I just rolled the rolling pin, it turned to be like this, what you can see now, and it just stuck to it, so it was very difficult for me. So I suggest you take any air dry clay which is easy to handle, and then you can paint it later on. I tried these type of clay because it was already colored, so I did not have to work too hard. Now when you start removing from this cookie cutter, what happens is it sticks inside and then the shape gets spoiled. So after 3-4 trials, finally I could make this, and removing it with my finger was really very difficult. So what I did, I just took this a cutter tool. This is kind of a knife only, and then I tried to remove it. And the second time when I did, I just left it like that. I left it in the cookie cutter only, and then when it dried, it came out easily. So this is how you have to remove it very slowly. If you try to use any other air dry clay, I think that will work better than this soft clay. This soft clay also I got from Amazon. So see, this is how it will look, and you have to leave it for drying. So what I did, I made 2-3 colors and then pressed it in the center, and kept one top of the other, so that I could get 2 colors in one flower. It takes hardly 1 hour to dry completely, and after 3-4 hours it becomes very hard, so you can easily handle it well. So this is, I have tried to use 3 colors, though 2 colors, the shades are 2. I have just used pink and purple, but pink I have taken 2 shades. So this is the light pink and the dark pink together, and the other flowers I have made with purple. So I've just taken 2 base colors. You can take as many colors as you want, but I feel too many colors would look very gaudy, so I just thought of using. Now this, in the mold, I've inserted the clay, and I will, and even in the cutter I've left it, and I will leave it for 1 hour or 2 hours for it to dry. And once it is dried, you can easily remove it from the molds. So now my flowers are ready, as you can see, so we will be working on it. Now I just wanted to share, these are the molds available with Sneha. So the link from where you can get it, I will leave in the description box. They have got really very nice MDF wood magnetic stickers and trays, and a lot many things. So you can just get in touch with her and get your stuff from her, and she is very quick in sending. Okay, so back to the video. I am using furniture glue for sticking the flowers, because I feel that furniture glue is very strong. So before sticking your flowers, what I have done, I have applied my homemade texture paste on that, and then on the back side, this is how the photo frame fridge magnets look from the back side. there is a sliding space where you can slide on your photo and then hang it on the fridge. So I will be using some magnets. I bought it from one of the online shops. I think it is available on Amazon also. It's a A4 sheet. You can cut it as per your convenience and stick it on the back side here. Okay, so now I will just apply the furniture glue and stick the back portion to the front frame, and then I will leave it for drying. I'm just using this toothpick for that. I think I have mentioned it before also in my previous videos where I made some trays about the seller from whom I am buying all these products, which is very quick in sending you, so you can try it out. Now I'm using some glitters. I think they have this also available with them. So okay, so I will be sprinkling out some glitters on it and to give it a little shine. For this project I have used these pink colors because it has been made for a special day, that is Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day goes very well with the red and pink colors, of course. This time I have not made any hearts or roses and all that the regular one which we use it for Valentine's Day. So I just thought of doing something different. Maybe by 14th I come up with some new ideas. So this is how I have spread all over the frame some glitter, and the extra I have just dabbed it out. Now I will put some gold studs to give it a special look, and you can always decorate it as per your creativity. So one frame I have used more of purple, and the other frame I have used pink. So you can use as many flowers. You can make a bouquet, you can make a basket or anything like that. I just thought of making something simple this time, not too much of creativity. This is as simple as even your child can make it. See, this is how your photograph will slide out. So it is done. God bless my parents and may they stay together for many years. And so I finished with see, in this frame it will look like this. I had made some other fridge magnets also. This is the one. See, on the back side I have stuck the magnet that was from the A4 sheet. I had just cut out a piece and I stuck it. This was for my niece, and I'm very happy that she has liked it. For this also I will be making another video very soon, but what is coming over next is this. I will be coming with some block printing of Varley paintings. So see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy your Valentine's Day. Take care of everyone in your family. Till then, bye bye. Take care.